Smart display and controller. Sensing display connectivity. TN1's SDC is a smart factory solution for small and medium-sized manufacturers. SDC is a quick and easy solution that can save time and money in changing, improving, and building processes. SDC consists of two type modules, the main module and the extension module. The main module has a 7-inch TFT color LCD with touch panel, several function keys, and communication ports. The extension module provides 16 digital input-output channels each. The main module and extension module are connected by 4 wires for power and communication. SDC includes various basic functions for common process control, expands input-output easily, so users can save overall configuration time and money compared to existing PLC-based system. In recent industrial sites that are evolving into a smart factory based on Industry 4.0, traceable management of the entire process from warehousing parts to shipping products and customer delivery is a prerequisite. SDCs have built-in communication functions that can be linked to barcodes or QR code readers to support traceability control. If more input-output control needed, a main module or an extension module can be expanded with a CAN communication connection. TN1 will continue to develop and supply additional expansion modules of various functions. A continuous inline process, usually used by small and medium manufacturers, is controlled by 1 to 2 sets of PLC system configurations. If user wants to add a process or function or want to change process control order, the control system is needed to rework as a whole. This can result in more time and money than expected. By the LCD display function included in the main module, key information for each process can be displayed or transmitted by users' GUI programming. Also, GUI programming is very easy by TN1 Serial LCD control solution. Process control consisting of SDCs does not need to modify the entire control hardware or program, even if the function of the process is changed further. All you have to do are only to add SDCs to connect input-output and to modify the programs for the parts added in the main module. Your time and money will be saved. TN1's SDC is trying to support and lead the smart farm, aquafarm, and aquaphonic fields, which are becoming more interested in the future industry. The new paradigm of future factories. Smart Factory. TN1's SDC considering the time and cost of the user. We will create new values in the field of smart factory and new industry field. TN1 Co Ltd.